Hey guys, it's Maddie Hilarious, and today I will be doing a slime challenge with my dad.
The problem with challenging people to step out of their comfort zone is sometimes people challenge you back. So today me and Maddie are heading to Walmart to pick up some supplies for our slime making challenge. All right, Maddie, we got to make a quick stop. Maddie, there's one thing more important than a good time. What is it?
Family time!
You got that. Let's go see Nanny. Nanny!
Okay guys, so this might get confusing. My grandparents do not understand slime at all, so we're going to teach them through it.
Butter slime is the grossest thing I've ever heard.
But you don't eat it.
The whole thing is gross.
Thank you, Jesus.
At least I'm not like some people. Some people I know put milk in there to activate it.
Oh my God, that's disgusting.
But some people make marshmallow slime and it's edible.
Today we picked up shaving cream, 2 bottles. We picked up glue, contact solution, cornstarch or baking powder,
It was baking soda.
baking soda. Was that everything?
We got shaving cream, glue, baking soda, and
Slime! All right, here we are. I am accepting Maddie's challenge. Maddie called me out. She wants me to get sticky, slimy.
and messy.
When you do these kind of things, I'm not pretending like I climbed Mount Rushmore. I know I'm making slime here. But the point is challenging yourself. It's doing something different, making yourself feel uncomfortable, and that's what this is all about. This is about stepping out of your comfort zone and just trying to be the best me. I'm just trying to be the best Dominic I can be, the best dad I can be, and I want you to challenge yourself to be the best you can be. All right. Teach me, Maddie. What are we doing here?
First, you gotta pour in the glue. So, to save time, we're just gonna take the cap off.
Do we wear gloves?
Nope. Just give me the bottle then.
Who's going to stir this up?
Our hands are.
Okay, here you go.
You barely got any.
One bottle? What are we doing here?
Oh no, we're doing both bottles, Dad.
Okay.
Oh no, it got on tables. Just a bit, Dad. Don't worry. You're just staring at the mark like someone just blew up right here. I'm gonna stir with my right hand because I need something to put the shaving cream in.
Okay, you want me to put the glue in here?
Yes. Okay. If you want to. If you don't, then.
My friend Jim Ajay said I say stepping out of my comfort zone a little more, so he said I should say stepping out. So today I'm stepping out. Ooh,
Don't use all the
I
blue.
can write my name in here.
Dad, don't use all the blue. I barely got any blue. My dad's trying to take it all. Stealer.
All right, what's next here?
So now we add the shaving cream. Well, we should mix it up first, actually. You're so scared to do this stuff.
I used to work for my dad, and I was always cold and wet, and I seemed to have the jobs where I had to dig the ditches and be completely drenched by 8:15 in the morning. So since I worked for him, I try not to get dirty or wet.
Dad's just like staring at the slime container like, do I have to do this?
Give me a countdown. So this bowl is the challenge. Putting my hand in here. Okay, let's do it. Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1. Put your hands in.
Okay.
It's getting blue. This feels nice. Mom's not going to be happy when she gets home because she's going to have to clean this mess. Partially. We're going to help her though. What does that look for?
You gotta shake it.
Dad rigged
Maybe
this.
hold it sideways. Sideways, sideways, sideways. There is a positive
Santa.
moral here. It's do the thing that scares you. You do the thing that scares you. You do the thing you're uncomfortable with, and you grow because of it. There's a ton of scary things out in this world.
I think I added a little
Slime
too
is
much.
scary.
Oh my god, Dad. That's,
How much of this am I supposed to add?
I just added almost all of it. Cream bottle over there. That's mine. Oh! You sure?
No.
No, that's not how it's gonna work. Give me that shaving cream. Give me that. Hey, Mom. Oh my.
How do you get this off of your hands?
Oh, you have to wait till the end of the video. Dad's just like, come on, I want this off my hands.
Can you put some blue in mine?
No, you're gonna do that yourself. You shouldn't use both hands. What? It's forming.
How do you know?
Because I can feel it, Dad. I can feel it. Because I'm a slime expert.
Don't get this on the floor.
Sorry. I'm like a junior Karina Garcia, people.
Mom is not going to be happy when she sees this. Oh, man. You have to do the thing that scares you. You do the thing that scares you, and you grow. Each time you step out and you do that thing that scares you, you grow a little bit more, a little bit more. Then all of a sudden, people will say, hey, Maddie, Dominic, I don't even recognize you anymore. You're different. And you can say, yeah, thank you, I am different. All right, I'm going a little baking soda. Maddie didn't say baking soda. Somebody else told me baking soda. This stuff is some kind of eye solution.
Oh.
And I guess I gotta put my hands back in here. Step out, step out, step out. Oh my goodness.
Dad hates this, guys.
This doesn't feel like slime.
Well, it's not yet because you didn't add enough contact solution. Okay, guys. Right now, since my dad's going through a lot of pain with his hands, subscribe and turn those notifications bell on. Have you done it yet? Well, you should have.
This is where the, I don't know, money meets the road or whatever the saying is. I don't think it's gonna get clean.
I think you're more or less rubbing it in.
I might have to call off work the next month or so. If mine doesn't turn into slime, does that mean I did not complete the challenge?
No, you're gonna keep doing the challenge. Oh crap, I think I've added too much. Crap. No. My slime might be ruined, guys.
What I just realized is Maddie has no clue how to make slime.
I do too. Coagulate.
I'm getting some coagulation here. My goals are getting closer.
Turning like slime little by little, guys.
Ooh. Whatever goal it is you have, go for it. Step out, try it. You got nothing to lose. So what if you fail? Oprah failed, Bill Gates failed, Steve Jobs failed, Walt Disney failed. Everybody failed, but at least you tried. There will be a ton more regret if you never made slime, you never went for it, than if you actually did. We got slime, baby.
I do too, partially.
This is Dominic Damaski, Maddie Hilarious here, Motivation Champs. Step out, try something new. Like, share, please subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot.
Ball, Dad. It's my nails can't even go through it.
It looks like paste.
It's not paste, Dad.
Here's slime.
That's a ball, Dad.
Wah, wah, wah.